One of our best trips of 2023 was to Delicate Beach near Crescent Head on the mid-north coast of New South Wales.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.
As it's an area we cannot stop raving about, we thought we'd do a review on the Delicate Campground so you could decide if it's a campground you want to stay at. Delicate Campground is in the Goodyear Regional Park. The campground is roughly 340 kilometres north of Sydney and about 510 kilometres south of Brisbane. We travelled from Brisbane and easily did the trip in half a day, and we did stop at a lot of shops on the way down. The campsites are suitable for tents, camper trailers, caravans, motorhomes and swags. There is 40 unmarked campsites that you can take your pick of when you arrive. The maximum area you can occupy per booking is 10 metres by 8 metres and is limited to 2 vehicles per site and 6 people. All the sites are unpowered and it's classed as a remote campground, so you need to be relatively self-sufficient. Generators are not permitted. There is toilets, both flushing and long drop. When we were there, the toilets were extremely well maintained. There is only one cold water beach shower which does not offer much privacy, and in the middle of the winter, this would be absolutely freezing and quite unpleasant, I reckon. Delicate Campground is one of the few beach campgrounds in northern New South Wales that allow dogs, something we took full advantage of. The beach is an off-the-leash beach, allowing the dogs to have a good run. And when I mean a good run, I mean kilometres and kilometres of a good run. The beach, I think, is about 3 kilometres long. The park is run by National Parks. For the two of us, it was just under $25 a night. The campground is in behind the dunes, but it's only a short walk on a boardwalk through the dunes to the surf. Activities you can do in the area is obviously swim and surf or just hang out at the beach. The area is great for nature lovers, and you can hike the nearby Big Hill Rainforest walking track or explore the Goodyear and Limeburners Creek National Park. You can see microbats, koalas and dingoes in the forest, and dolphins, turtles, and if you're lucky, whales in the marine park. Exploring the nearby headlands and all the nearby beaches can keep you busy for days, and all the beaches are absolutely spectacular. They're probably some of the best beaches we have ever been to. We camped in mid-August and we were lucky to see the whales migrating south. I reckon autumn is the best time to be at this campground. I do recommend camping in the off-season, as I can imagine this campground would be very popular during school holidays. So would we recommend staying at this campground? Heck yes! Just remember, you need an element of being self-sufficient if you want power and a hot shower. This is a campground that we will most definitely return to. Hope to see you there.